The Apple Watch Ultra comes with a larger and bolder look than the previous, coupled with a gorgeous bright screen that sets it apart from the rest.
You gorgeous specimen of what God can make!
And when you get your smartwatch for the first time, you will want to know what features to work around with. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with next-level physical features, such as the flat sapphire glass cover, a side button that protrudes from the case, and the digital crown, which makes it easier to control, as well as the bright, vivid orange action button on the left side of the Apple Watch Ultra, which from the settings menu allows you to customize the button to engage features like add a waypoint. Stay with us, and we'll find out more on the waypoint feature and more coming on in the video. For $799, whether you are an endurance athlete or you just fancy a smartwatch, both ways don't stop you from getting yourself the Apple Watch Ultra. Considering its larger battery, a stronger titanium frame casing made to last and endure falls,
And as you can see, I am not dead!
and a gorgeous bright screen brighter than the previous Apple Watches. There is a dual-frequency GPS available to help you accurately track and retrace your steps back with the Wayfinder and Backtrack features. There are also additional microphones for better voice calls, as well as 3 band strap options depending on what activity you may be undertaking with the watch. There is the Alpine Loot strap, which is purposely designed for outdoor activities like hiking. And then there is the Ocean Band, which is specifically designed for swimming, diving, and other water sporting activities. And finally, there is the Trail Loop, which is also purposely designed for jogging and endurance activities like running a marathon or cross-country running.
See you at the finish line!
Furthermore, the 49mm Watch Ultra features a maximum brightness of 2000 nits, making it twice as bright as the Apple Watch Series 8. According to Apple, the Apple Watch Ultra is the biggest and brightest Apple Watch display. The always-on Retina display is 2000 nits at its peak and twice as bright as any other Apple Watch. Now let's check out 5 things you can do with your Apple Watch Ultra. 5. Compass. The Apple Watch Ultra has been revamped with a redesigned Compass app, and one of the new Compass app features that give you the ability to create waypoints.
We're here!
Which is a way to navigate outdoors. So if, for instance, you're hiking with the waypoints created on the Compass app, your Apple Watch will remember the coordinates to a location, and you can navigate your way back to the coordinates using the Compass app. And like the previous models, the bearing, elevation, incline, and even your current coordinates have been made pretty easy as well on the Apple Watch Ultra. To switch between views in the Compass app, all you have to do is utilize the digital crown by turning it or simply pressing the action button. And speaking of pressing the button, press the subscribe button and get interactive with all our content. 4. Night Mode. The Apple Watch Ultra now includes a night mode feature, which basically initiates an interface red screen protection to protect your night vision. The night mode is, however, exclusive to Apple Watch Ultra and only works when you're using the Wayfinder watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra. The night mode prevents you from staining your eyes when using the watch at night or in the dark, and this in turn protects your vision. You can access the night mode feature by selecting the Wayfinder watch face. Turn the digital crown until the screen becomes red, and you can use your watch with less damage to your vision. 3. Siren. On to the next thing is the Siren feature. The Apple Watch Ultra has an 86 decibel emergency built-in siren that comes in handy during emergency situations, where it can be used to alert others to an emergency location, and at the 86 decibels, it is loud enough to be heard up to 600 feet away. The sound emitted alternates between 2 patterns, one of which is a distress signal and the other being the SOS signal. And with the siren initiated, in case you get injured or find yourself stuck in a situation and you need any help, you can easily call for help with your Apple Watch Ultra by drawing attention to your location with the distress or siren signal. And to initiate the siren feature, you have to press and then hold the action button on your watch and then move the siren slider to the right to start it. Find out more on the action button and what it does coming up shortly.
Liking what I see so far.
2. Crash detection. Another amazing feature worth mentioning is the crash detection feature. Should you get in an accident, the crash detection setup on your Apple Watch Ultra, which is embedded with updated motion sensors that give your watch the ability to detect any severe car crash or accident, thus notifying emergency services to come to your aid, as well as contacting your emergency contacts. The crash detection feature is capable of detecting front, side, rear, and more crashes in most vehicles. Additionally, the Apple Watch Ultra checks up on you for some time and then proceeds to call emergency services if there is no response from you within 10 seconds. To set it up, you will have to go to the Settings app, tap on SOS, and turn the crash detection on if it is off. 1. Action button and customization. And finally, the action button and its customizations. The action button is located on the left side of the Apple Watch Ultra's casing and can be configured to perform a variety of tasks in addition, including initiating the Siren feature mentioned earlier.
Oh, yes, and very important.
As well as allowing you to navigate through multiple panels. So basically, you can now choose an action for the action button to perform, as well as an app to perform the action you require. And some of the options include performing tasks like starting a stopwatch or a workout, setting a waypoint, turning on the flashlight, launching a shortcut created in the Shortcuts app, or setting the backtrack. You can configure the action button by selecting the Settings app on your Apple Watch Ultra, scrolling down, and then select the action button. Then you can tap on Action and select the action that you want to undertake. What has been your favorite Apple Watch Ultra feature so far? Let us know in the comment section. While you may find the Apple Watch Ultra interesting enough, there is a cloned version currently available. Check out this video on the Apple Watch Ultra clone versus the original. Thanks for watching.